Hey guys, welcome back to another Confidence Edit. Today we're going to do a new installment of our new series, Behind the Treatment, this time with one of my personal favorites, Redness Rehab Sensitive Skin Soothing Cream. So Redness Rehab started out as our answer to sensitive, stressed, imbalanced, red, ruddy skin, whether it be, general sensitivity, eczema, rosacea, post-procedure irritation. We really wanted it to be a go-to treatment for any kind of redness and irritation you experience in the skin. So when we formulate products, we start off with an idea and an initial formula, and then that formula goes through many different rounds. And when we were testing this formula, it was super important to us that, first of all, the formula be extremely soothing and extremely calming to the skin, but that it actually delivered real results. The way that we knew that we were on to the right track was actually a funny story. When we were going through the formulary round, the owner of the company was actually going through the process of buying his first home for his family. If you've ever bought a home before, even moved, you know that it's an extremely stressful process. He had broken out into hives all over his arm. And he said, you know what? Why don't I try the Redness Rehab and see if it'll actually work on my hives? And lo and behold, the treatment actually worked to calm and soothe his skin. And that's when we realized we definitely were onto something here. It's powered by this star ingredient called Phytosphingosine, which is very hard to pronounce, but super powerful because it provides a buffer for irritated skin cells that are kind of rubbing against each other and causing redness and aggravation in the skin. So this formula is already going deeper than just on the superficial level. It is really working to stop the causes of irritation and redness in the skin. It also features star calming ingredient allantoin, which is known for its skin soothing properties. Redness Rehab also works to brighten the skin. It features Imblica extract and licorice extract, all designed to balance out the skin tone and reduce any visible signs of redness. It was also super important to us, not only what we put in the formulation, but what was omitted from the formulation. So you have a formula here that is oil-free and synthetic fragrance-free. Now, oil is not necessarily an aggravator, but when you're dealing with super sensitive or irritated skin, you want to remove any ingredients that could possibly cause aggravation and instead opt for ingredients that will soothe the skin. So instead of oils, we formulated this treatment with extracts. It's an extract-rich formula which works to deliver anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits to the skin. What I love about Redness Rehab is that it feels like a soothing layer of comfort to the skin. It sinks into the skin. It provides a really calming and soothing feeling. When we first launched the product, it wasn't called Redness Rehab Sensitive Skin Soothing Cream. If you've been with us since the beginning, you'll know that we had a treatment that was launched back then that was called Redness Rehab Rosacea Relief. We felt that it was a true solution for something even as serious as rosacea type skin. But we were finding that because it had rosacea in the title, people would see the product and automatically almost disqualify the treatment from entering into their regimen. They would say, I don't have rosacea, I don't need this product. It delivers so many beautiful benefits to the skin. It's often something that most people can incorporate into their routine and really see long-lasting benefits. So we put our heads together and renamed the product Redness Rehab Sensitive Skin Soothing Cream, which is what you see here and what really describes the product perfectly. So Redness Rehab is really a beautiful example of what Dermalect meets best. It's truly luxury meeting efficacy products that deliver results that are a true pleasure to put on every day in your routine that you want to return back to. It's truly a comprehensive treatment because it looks not only at the side effects of irritation, but the true causes of redness and aggravation in the skin. If you've tried Redness Rehab and love it, let us know your experience in the comments. If you want to learn more about the treatment, we have linked the product page below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this installment of Behind the Treatment.